remember. Let me think about it. I think it kind of went something like this, though, if I recall. Yo, it's Triple F, the movement we never sleep. It's Triple F, the movement we never sleep. It's Triple F, the movement we never sleep.
There's a party in the V, won't you come run with me? The heavyweights like Mark Henry, bitch. Pardon me, I speak what I see, salt. I'm feeling higher than Felix, easily throw up rhymes, bulimic. Body slam the earth like your parachute malfunctions. My style keeps pumping, your rhymes keep slumping. I chain insane frames of things that maintain my level. You ain't never gonna pass, I'm up like a bevel. Your singular ass can't fuck with my multiples. I'm pulling me some Huxtables, I must have pulled, I'm flexible. Stretching out your decibels, commas are like vegetables. Candy is my decimals, I don't need them. I freestyle for freedom, yeah, and we triple F'd up, we triple F son, we triple F'd up, we triple F son, you heard? Take.
Yo, it's Triple F, the movement we never sleep. What? It's Triple F, the movement we never sleep. What? It's Triple F, the movement we never sleep. Yeah. Grinding all the time when I'm pushing in the streets, Where we come from, a place where all the slums run. Raise our fist in the air, don't care if the guns come. And red rum, spell it backwards, dum-dum. You better tell all your friends that it's your outcome. I must apologize if I start to confuse you. Been doing this since 93, don't care, but I just choose to. I seem separated from the day-to-day norms. I never became a victim to conform, but what's new? Being brainwashed by this decade and its music. We all have a mind, except these rappers never use it. They choose to elude materialistic points of views. I'll admit I fell victim, but that's when I'm confused. When I don't know what to say or when I don't know what to do. I got a dream I wanna live, but they say it's up to you. I pull my soul out on the mic and then I pour some for the crew. We triple F, pour double O's, never lose. Double F plus one, and the F is for freedom. We're murking everybody, we don't even need a reason. And don't they always say if you snooze then you lose? That's why we never sleep. Triple F's on the move. What? It's Triple F, the movement we never sleep. It's Triple F, the movement we never sleep.
Yeah.
It's Triple F, the movement we never sleep.
As I progress, manifest destiny. And underground MC, just trying to keep the peace. But niggas always trying to start the beef. Right hook to your jaw, I make you sleep 6 deep. Sleep 6 deep. This is Triple F, we just rhyming from my peak, flowing the poetry. So give me the flow back, the soundtrack retracts the beat, repeat, so you better retreat. This is Triple F coming through your streets like tsunami. I flow so calmly, you motherfuckers better watch me. Hadouken's on Godspeed, yeah, you can call me Rock Lee. So where the men get ass, switch it up, one piece. So don't mind me, I'm just spitting on this microphone for a reason. So free up.
Check. I flip verbs into actions, act out my words which concern your reaction. I re-up when I need to, then I puff twice to pass it. It seems like the peace to the youth is a magnet, attracted to the violence, murder, static. Television's telling you to hurry up and grab it. Now I mean, now watch the wind soar out of Windsor. Yo, T, that almost good, homie.
Quick look, it's Triple F in the books. The 3 blind mice avoiding the mousetrap and the crooks. Blindfolded rap, do this in my nightcap, meaning eyes closed. We better than you in the sun's glow. Triple F gusto, bitch. And if you must know, bitch, we killing everything we touch with a death grip. Mention Triple F in your section, relentless.
Check, we young minds searching for the better life. MCs living for the afterlife, spitting every day on the mic. Understanding my slangs, fast and furious, stay out of my lanes. Riddle with pain, we need a time to change. People dying in vain, there's no one to blame. This government is full of mistakes, so what's the stakes? People going insane, man. What the fuck?
It's Triple F, the movement we never sleep. It's Triple F, the movement we never sleep. It's Triple F, the movement we never sleep.
Trapped on the planet of pain and perpetrators. Stay